Today, we are building the foundation of a simple website template. So in these videos, I will show you how to create a navigation bar using only our anchor tags, aka HTML and CSS, using what header and sections elements, apply flexbox inside our CSS, add background inside our CSS. So also, the first thing to do now is to create our file's name. This website I'm talking about. You have to create something like this. So you have the logo, the home, the sections, features, contact. So this is the part one. In the part two, we continue with the features, the contacts, so and the footer. So let's get started. First thing to do is to create our file's name. Let's call this index.html. So our styling, let's call this our style.css. Style.css. Change to HTML. What we have to do now is to create our header. So inside the header, we have a our navbar. Inside the navbar, we have anchor tags. We have logo, the anchor tag. We have home, the anchor tag. We have features, the anchor tag. We have contacts. Just exactly like this. We have our logo, home, features, and contact. So now we've already created our anchor tags. So in our headers, next thing to do is to add our sections. By calling the word sections. So in our sections, we have welcome to my website. We have welcome to my website like this. Welcome to my website. So inside our sections, we have let's call this H1. Inside you have welcome to my website. Add our break. We have our H4. This is a simple template of our button. Us to create something like this. This is our learn more. We have learn more here. So call this learn more. Inside this, right? Learn more. Button. learn more. So next thing we link our HTML and CSS together. So inside the head, look for the head. Where's the head? Here, link our by calling the word link. Inside this href ref, write our style dot css. So we already link it together. So anything we write in this style dot css we have effect on this HTML. So in this our style dot css, we call our body. I just want to change our background color. What should be our background color? Our background color. Let's use our margin posting margin 0, background color gray, font family real. Sums our header, calling the word header. In this header, I want to make this header. Now we have inside our header, we have nav and anchor tags. So we want anything we do in this style.ts to have effect on our header in HTML. So the header, we're calling the word header. It have effect on header. So header call background color now header. By call word background color. Now background color. So we have hash to C and say E50, something like this. So let me go live to see our result. Can you see our results now? So this is it, what we are currently doing. So now we're trying to build something like this, create something like that. So something like this, as you can see, you're trying to do something like this. So now document, so we are right now our header. After the header, have our header, our logo. So to make this, we want to change, we want to add effects on this our logo. So inside this, let's call this class, call it logo. So dot logo, that color. Don't forget this, our logo is here, something like this. This is our logo, right? So this is what we are currently doing. Our logo, call it our color. My color white. So our logo now is white. Our color is white. Our font size, to change the font size, 24 pixel. Our font weight, bold, text, decoration. Now, so now most of our nav here. Don't forget you have nav inside our header. Now let's move to our nav. We call the word nav display flex. Can you see? That's the flex I'm talking about. Our margin left, take pixel. Next thing is our justify content space around. What does this justify content means? That is space around. Leave the space, give them space before the logo, between the logo and our anchor tags. So now outside our nav, you have anchor tag. So inside the nav, you have anchor tags. This is it. You have anchor tags inside the nav. You have the anchor tags. You have anchor tag inside our nav. These are our anchor tags inside our navs. So want to add effects on it. So our color is white. Can you see white? Everything has changed to white, right? So this underline, we want to remove everything. Like on text decoration. No. Can you see the underline? Let me comment this out so you can understand. Can you see we have this underline? So line under the bottom. So we want to remove it. We're currently what text decoration. Text decoration. So you are done with the anchor tags. Now I want to make the over. Like this website now. If I should click on this, can you see the color is changing? It's called over, and inside the anchor tag. So can you see color is changing? As I'm clicking, color is changing from white. So now by calling the word over, we want to add our over, our color. Notice why it's not changing now. So by calling the word over, now our anchor tags over and the color dash one B B C minus C. So can you see now? Can you see it's changing? So can you see it's changing? It's changing from white. It's changing. It's changing. It's changing. So I've added the over. So now after adding over, let's start our section. So in this section also, want to add effect on this section. Don't forget this part one. The part two, we continue with the contact features and the footer. So we're calling it was sections. Don't forget if you are referencing our class, we use dots instead of here. The reason why we add class here is that's what I want to add effect on this section. So we've already have our instead of mixing so that we don't make mistake, just copy the section and add it here. Dots. So inside our section, add our background color, dark blue, our color, we change our text color, white, margin, top of minus 23 pieces, our text align, center, What does this colors means that their background color means to change the background color, change this background color, and the white means to us the white colors to change the text, those white color. So the justify content. The text align, I mean, the text align center means what? From here, take it to center. You can see the welcome this center at center. So now margin means what? Make this paragraph color. Let me comment it out so you can see the functions of. Can you see? I've commented this out. So can you see the margin? So the margin term means to move it up a bit. So let me comment it. The text center and text align, that is center means what? Takes what? Move it to center. This is at the left side, right? Move it to what? To the center. Now into our button. Our button. What is our button? Our button is what? Learn more. Can you see the learn more? Is our button learn more. So something like this. You can see the learn more here. So we want to make this learn more to look exactly like this. This learn more exactly like this. So we had it in our style of CSS. So I learn more style of CSS. Call our border to remove our border is not our color white, our background color h2 so 3 pivot 0. Now check now. Let's check. Let's have our results here. Can you see? Can you see? It looks exactly like this. Can you see they are the same? Can you see our logo? Color is changing. Our sections. Can you see they are the same? So guys, and this is for part one. We've learned how to what? How to create a simple navigation bar using only anchor tags. So we've learned how to link our what? Our HTML with our CSS. So the header and the sections, we've applied the flex box inside our style.css and background colors and margins. So in the part two, we complete this template with what? With our contact, that is contact us features. Here now. This is a part one for now. So in part two, we complete our what? Contacts, our footer. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share. Thank you, family.